Look at this. Look at this guy. He's stuck in the car. I think he's gonna help me. What I'm gonna do is these wires here. This connector totally melted. And this connector. Look at this. So I just connected them. I bought new connectors. Look at it. Okay, so what I'm doing is rewiring burnt out connector. So I'm redoing this plug first. Here are the pieces. What I'm going to do is put this little grommet on, slide it down. I'm gonna make this go here, goes into this black one, cut the wire, right about here, wire strippers. So let stuff fall on the ground. No, it's right here, garbage. Twist the wire, put this connector on here, like so, and get these clines. Okay, tug seems good. Now this one is the black wire. Stick it in this. Stick it in here. This way. And it's stuck. Push the seal. Now I'm going to reroute this wire back to the fan. This is for the fan. Plug it into the fan. So this. All good, look at that. Alright. So now it's going to connect into here. But still have to put connectors on. Cut this connector off and put a connector here. Here we are. So a whole bunch of boring stuff happened, and I got the connectors put in. Black, blue, that's supposed to be white, and then there's a gray one. But these two wires look like the same color. But if you go down, one's gray, one's white. And now next is, I'm going to replace the fans, the fan motors, and one of the blades. So that stuff is over here. Take a new motor, two new motors, and a fan. Here's a 9 blade fan. One of the fans is like a 7 or 8. There's 2 fans. One's a 7 or 8 and one's a 9. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the lower number fan with another 9. It's supposed to help it cool better. Who knows? The radiator is stuck here, so I just got to take the intake off and then the fan will come off. Look at the green filter in it. Got the fans up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to take this fan off. I'm going to put the other new one there. And I'm going to change the motors out. And I'm doing this because this wire, that connector burnt up, and I think these old motors are drawing too much amps. Okay, so here's the motors. Oh, look, it says left hand thread, turn, nut, move. So this way. Let's tighten it. It's off. Yes. So now, which fan? I had to change this fan out. 7. This one goes bye bye. Put this new one on here. Come right off. Oh, this is interesting. This one looks like crap. This one doesn't look like as much crap. So I think this one's been replaced before. Like this one's got rust in it and everything. This one, so I bet you it's been replaced, and I bet you this is the one I had problems with. Only one of the wires was getting hot, really hot. I don't hear it. Look at the sound of this side. See what this one sounds like. Yeah, it's not the same. And the new ones, oh, a lot quieter. Anyway, let's put the new ones in. Tightening it. New fan. Alright, well that's it. Hook all the wires up. So this one goes here, and it goes in this clip. See, there's another clip here. Oh, there's a clip here. I missed. Clip here. Clip here. Goes like this. Goes in here. And that clip. And it goes over there. This one over here goes in this clip, and it gets plugged in. Okay. Put it back in. Now put the fans back in. Fans like this. Says it's for everything. It might just be water. It's just water. It's not full. Oh, I'll start it up. Check it again. Well, that's it. Now I'm going to clean everything up. Let me show you something real quick. Somehow, so HIDs, somehow they put the HID. See it? Yeah, right there. That's the HID ballast. Somehow I don't know how they got the damn thing in there. I think they must have had the fender off. So somehow I gotta get rid of that. I'm gonna put LEDs in. But it looks like this connector is shot. Looks like it's not connected. So that's probably why the headlights are on. I can't reach it. Anyway. There we go. Fans are working. It's going to be so hot that you won't be able to grab it. Now it's fine. It would burn you. So now I'm just going to do some of these wires, tie them up somewhere, I don't know. But it's working. It's the important part. I have the fans back on. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Have a great day, guys.